on the road again. This is how it's been all day. Steep and windy hills. Nap's got me taking on this dirty old back road. The old bike ain't made for the bumps. No shocks on her. Well, I'd say I'm definitely not getting to South Lake Tahoe today. This is what I'm going up here. Can't even ride the bike. Had to put on the old kicks. This bike is just not meant for this nonsense. Gonna try. It's like 10 more K of this. And then I think there's a road, and I'm gonna try and find a hotel on the road somewhere, I guess. So it's just how she goes, I guess. Can't plan for that, but there it is anyway. Wish me luck. Can't believe it. We made it out of there. Didn't get eaten by a bear or mountain lion. Whew, that is absurd. That was absurd. Bike's a little dusty. Legs a little dusty. But we're alive. And we're living. There's a place called Strawberry, about 18K away. It's all uphill, but I'm going to go for there. Perfect. That was probably the toughest day of biking I've ever had. Absolutely brutal. Went 106K today, and literally 95 of it was uphill. Took me 10 hours, 10 and a half hours to go almost just 100K. We are in Strawberry, California, in this little hole-in-the-wall motel. Just gonna crash, eat, crash. Might just go to Lake Tahoe tomorrow. It's not too far, but might just go and stay at the lake and chill out for a bit. So I'll see. But I'll see you tomorrow. Keeping us bad. Talking to you.